It is very embarrassing to know that only 12% or 7 of 59 nurses from the 200, recruited earlier in 2017, passed the English language test required to work at the Medway Maritime Hospital in Gillingham, in the United Kingdom. We are very happy that there's a program designed to accept Filipino nurses to the United Kingdom, but we are also sad because it hit a snag after 90% of the first batch of 200 failed the language test, as the Times reported on September 26, 2017. If you want to make sure that your students surely pass the language test abroad, train your students how to pronounce words and sentences with the right articulation, intonation and tempo, and you can do that when you use the Phonetic Speech Laboratory, the complete digital speech laboratory preloaded with pedagogical lessons, that could surely help you produce good speakers in just 3 months, or less. As you know, Bottomline Speech Laboratory serves not only schools, colleges and universities in the Philippines but also other educational institutions abroad, like centers of the Vocational Education and Training Authority or VETA in Tanzania, East Africa, among others. You can be sure that you can produce fluent speakers in just 3 months or less, because the Phonetic Speech Laboratory is complete with teachers' tools like the modeling tool that helps you how to train your students how to produce the correct sound, and the International Phonetic Alphabet that guides you and your students in the articulation of sounds and words, so that your students speak like a native speaker. You can make your job easier because of the specialized student machine with LCD monitor, which you can use in the self-study function found only in the Phonetic Speech Laboratory Premium, where you allow your students to listen to the pre-recorded lessons, and let them repeat after the model speaker, until your students gain mastery of the lessons. Imagine how you would feel if you discover that your students can also record their pronunciation by pressing the record button on a student's machine, and you can save the recorded audio into your hard disk, so that you can listen to it later as you would like to evaluate your students' pronunciation performance. You are assured of the quality of your speech laboratory, with well-crafted cubicles and console, done by our expert cubicle fabricators, and the system is sure to give you clear signals because it is installed by highly trained installers. Before the turnover of the project, we also provide teachers training, in group, and hands-on one-on-one interaction, so that you can be sure that your teachers know how to use the Phonetic Speech Laboratory. You can enjoy the benefit of getting free parts and service for 3 years guaranteed, in writing. Call now. 092053947111.